Hello, this is Rika, an electric workshop learning guide. Today's lesson is to learn the simple combination logic gate application part through the PLC automatic control configuration of the part learned from the relay part in the electrical sequence. Check the logic gate part on the right side of the screen. There are 3 input buttons PB1, PB2, PB3, and the output has YL, GL, RL lamps. There are a total of 5 logic gates used here. And there are 3 NOT gates that output the input value in reverse. And there are OR gates and AND gates. Combination logic circuits can be configured by users in various ways. And below that is the PLC I/O part. Please compare the operation configuration with the previous relay part video. And it makes it possible to understand a given combinational logic gate through ladder construction. Please refer to the card section for related videos. Let's look at each PLC wiring configuration part and PLC ladder part. We will also check the behavior of the given ladder results emulator and look at the results in our simulation.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB3. Release the button. PB3. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Press the button. PB3. Release the button. PB3. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB3. Release the button. PB3. Input off. Wiring breaker.
Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.